Okay, the recipe is penne noodles, just boiled regularly. Wait, what do you mean, did I call penne noodles? Did I do it wrong? Are those not penne? Is it rigatoni? That's penne. What did I call them? Oh, I said put noodles. Penne is noodles. A noodle is a vague term for pasta, I'm pretty sure. Am I about to learn that not all pasta is considered noodles? Penne is pasta. Not all pasta is noodles. I've never heard that. If that's true, then my mind's blown. Is all pasta a noodle? No, not all pasta is considered noodles. While all pasta is a form of dough, noodles generally refer to long, thin, stretched, or cut strips. Pasta is generally Italian-derived, whereas noodles are a broader category. Well, I'm not convinced at all by that. Noodles have origins in Asia, while pasta is Italian. The phrase, all pasta are noodles, but not all noodles are pasta, is common. Many culinary definitions distinguish them. Did you know this, Luke? I don't think there's a rule. Someone's saying noodles and pasta are pretty much the same. They're both doughs turned into shapes, but the cultural origins and the culinary uses are different. I definitely grew up thinking they're interchangeable. I don't use the word pasta that much because I'm not that fancy. I don't have that Italian, like, spice. It's like, oh, I'm having pasta tonight. It's like, nah, it's noodle night. These are noodles to me, like, it's a form of noodles, but I guess it's not noodles, but it is pasta. I don't have a good source for this. Like, who's the authority on this? It's not strictly true that pasta has eggs and noodles do not. It's often the opposite. Most dried factory-made pasta is just semolina, flour, and water. Many noodles require eggs. Fresh pasta frequently contains eggs, but dry boxed pasta usually does not. Wait, Luke, what's your thoughts on this? Are pasta and noodles two different things?
No, they're different.
So you're not making noodles right now?
This is pasta. Noodles is like separate, but pasta is like a combination of things.
Oh, he has a different definition. Wait, before you put the steak and sauce in, was it noodles?
Yeah, see, like, when I just cooked it, there was just noodles, but together it's pasta.
Whoa.
You know, it's like a beef patty. It's different when you put it between buns, it's a burger.
Yeah. So noodles at some point stop being noodles and start being pasta. Is penne noodles? Yes, penne is considered a type of noodle or pasta. Let me go on the Wikipedia. Penne are one of the few pasta shapes with a certain date of birth. Let's see if the word noodle appears in this Wikipedia. Yeah, it says see also noodles. There's a Reddit unpopular opinion thread. It's called Pasta Is Not Noodles. Pasta and noodles are not interchangeable. Spaghetti is not a noodle. A single piece of macaroni, penne, whatever, is not a noodle. Noodles are from Asia and are what you use in ramen, stir fry, etc. So this is a noodle. Does this say noodles? Let's get to the bottom of this. Cup noodles. These are noodles. Are these noodles? Yeah, instant noodles. So these two Asian ones are noodles. Man, everyone's clowning on this person for telling them about this. They're like, how it feels to say spaghetti is not noodles on Reddit.
Jordan, come out.
Okay, my mind is blown.